This is the 1100, and you know, everybody pretty much knows it's pretty soft aluminum. It's very, very workable. So I'll go ahead and use the aluminum shrinking dies on this one. We'll change out the dies. Okay, I've got it just about all shrunk down. It's a huge amount of shrinking to get this, you know, to take a couple inches out of the metal. You can see the edges because it was stretched up and then flanged over and then squashed down again. You can see a little bit of a failure there. But I could take the flanging die and shrink this down even farther, bring it down nice and flat. Let me work on this corner here. I'll reset the gun. And I'll take this corner down the same way I was showing you with the steel. Now you can see the quality of the surface. I've turned it all over to 90. So this is a very, very handy method. And again, it's just a matter of putting the metal in the die, working it over, putting it in the other way, and you've got yourself a ruffle. You can work in deep like this, in behind here, and work it back out, but it will leave a big ruffle in the panel. I mean, you're going to leave it. So if you want very, very few marks at all, I just come in on the edge and just work in like I've been doing.